All right, so this door handle now is easy to come out. We're just gonna push it back this way and then we'll pull it out. It goes out like this, comes out, and then to the front as well. There's 2 wires that we need to disconnect from the inside. All right, there you go. This 2 will go together with the door handle. There we go. She's out. We'll continue working on the back now. The door handle bracket. We'll take those out. All right, so taking out this bracket, the door bracket. There's a gasket on this thing, so make sure those are out. We'll just push the bracket back this way, and then this hooks right here will unhook like that. See, unhook right there now. This one unhook, and then we could just let it go. It's gonna be hanging at the back now. All right, so there is the back right there. So this is the problem right here, guys. So this is the ball. See, when you lift up the handle, this will go up. This cable is just not moving in and out. Okay, so it has to be, it's in the opposite way. It's supposed to be on the other side, so it's supposed to be, the ball has to be other side like this, see? So it lift up. Oh wow. So it's supposed to be like this, the ball. It was sitting right here, that's why it's not working. So we're gonna replace this whole thing. We want it nice and firm, solid, so that this won't happen again. So we're just gonna take it out like that, and then we'll take this one right here, we'll squeeze that tabs. All right, here's the new one. We don't need this for now. We're just gonna take this one out. So it sits like this, okay? So put this cable back in here. It goes in like the ball first, the hook, and then snap it in like that. All right, so just double check, make sure that cable moves, okay? So there's a lever right here, push it towards you, and that cable right here is gonna go in and out. That's what we want. Install it back in here, line it up, and then push it forward. Stays in like that. See that tabs, it holds to the door panel. Same thing with this one. All right, so before you put the handle, make sure you get the gasket ready. This is the old handle right here. We're just gonna take out this gasket and we'll apply it on the door. That one's good. And then next one is at the back. All right, let's put this door handle now. We got the 2 gasket in. Put the connector in first, one at a time. Go in like that. And then the back is next. And then when it lined up, push it forward, nice and flush, just like that. This is good. Next, we'll put this cylinder in. So we're gonna install this back in here. 2 tabs here at the back. So put it in first at the back, and then push it forward, and then squeeze the front end after. Okay, there you go. So make sure this was up before you push this little one in towards the door, okay? All right, there you go. I'm just gonna tie up this bolt is next, and then this should be nice and tight on this outside handle, and then we'll be working on the back next. All right, so this door handle is secured with this bolt right here. So you can see that it's nice and solid. We'll put the cover in. Done. And yeah, let's start working on the inside is next. All right guys, so connector is in, the latch on the other side is in for the cylinder. So if I move the handle outside, that cable moves up and down to the latch, and that's what we want. That's perfect. This is gonna work. All right, so let's just continue, put everything back together. All right, it's gonna quickly give this a try because I know I'm confident that it's gonna open. Look at that, perfect. Open from the outside. All right, so let's put everything back together now. Put the window regulator back in with that one bolt on this side and bolts on that side. There's nothing on the bottom for the window regulator. And then put all this cable back in, and this one, the harness for the switches and lock and the light. And then after that, just put all these bolts outside. Okay, so watch that first video. This when you take it out, it will do the same thing when you're trying to install in reverse in order. Alright guys, so make sure those two bolts right here for the window regulator are up. Same thing on the bottom, just a hand tight before we do the outside. So this is just all hand tight for now, and then we'll do everything, tighten up all together. Alright guys, so everything is all hand tight. Now we're gonna bottom it out nice and tight. Setting on the impact is number 1. It's good, everything goes nice and snug, tight. Double check everything. Good. Alright, let's put that door panel back in the door now. So there's a 3 connector right there, 4 and 5 connector. Okay, we're gonna connect those to the door panel for all the switches and light. So just gonna quickly push this one in, this one, so the brown one is to the brown one right there. Push, perfect.
Okay,
Perfect. And then the low one down there. Perfect. So we'll take out this tape now. Give this thing a test. Good work. We'll try the inside. We'll lock it. Open. Good. Open. Perfect. Close again. Good. All right. Now is 1 bolt here. 10 mil.
10 mil.
And then a screwdriver right here for the 1 bolt. Alright guys, there we go. It's nice and tight. Now we're gonna cover it up, and then this is all done. So this one is here. Last one is like that.
In here, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. Just like that.
There you go. Done.
Done?
That's it.
Yes.
Nice looking car. Just like brand new.
Yep.
Now this can go back to the customer, and she'll be happy. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys again on the next one.